When it comes to boosting your home's curb appeal, few upgrades make as immediate and lasting an impression as bay windows. For homeowners in Dallas, where style, sunlight, and standout architecture all play a role in neighborhood appeal, bay windows offer a perfect blend of beauty and functionality that elevates any home's exterior. Bay windows are typically made up of 3 panels, a large center window flanked by 2 angled side windows. This design projects outward from the home, creating depth and dimension that flat windows simply can't provide. The result is a more dynamic, visually interesting exterior that naturally draws attention. One of the biggest ways bay windows enhance curb appeal is by creating a focal point. Their unique shape breaks up the flat lines of your home's facade, adding architectural character that makes your property stand out. In Dallas neighborhoods, where homes often feature a mix of traditional and modern styles, bay windows offer a versatile design element that complements a wide range of exteriors. Natural light also contributes to a home's exterior appeal. Bay windows allow sunlight to enter from multiple angles, creating a warm, inviting glow that's visible from the outside. A bright home often feels more welcoming, and this subtle effect can make a strong impression on visitors and potential buyers alike. Another advantage is the sense of space bay windows create. Because they extend outward, they make your home appear larger and more open. This added dimension enhances the overall proportions of your house, giving it a more balanced and refined look. In Dallas, where curb appeal can influence property value, this visual expansion is a valuable benefit. Customization is another key factor. Bay windows can be tailored to match your home's architectural style, whether it's classic, contemporary, or transitional. You can choose frame colors, finishes, and grille patterns that align with your exterior design. This level of personalization ensures your bay windows feel like a natural extension of your home rather than an added feature. Exterior details around the bay window can further enhance its impact. Decorative trim, roofing accents, or coordinated siding can highlight the window's shape and create a polished, cohesive appearance. These finishing touches help your home look thoughtfully designed and well-maintained, 2 important elements of strong curb appeal in Dallas neighborhoods. From the inside, bay windows also contribute to how your home is perceived from the outside. The additional space they create can be styled with seating, plants, or decor that adds charm and personality. When visible from the exterior, these details enhance the overall impression of your home, making it feel lived in and inviting. Energy efficiency is another benefit that supports long-term curb appeal. Modern bay windows are built with insulated glass and durable materials that help maintain indoor temperatures. This means your home not only looks great but also performs well in Dallas's hot climate. A well-maintained exterior, supported by efficient features, helps your home retain its value over time. Durability is equally important. High-quality bay windows are designed to withstand the elements, including heat, sunlight, and occasional storms. Materials like vinyl and fiberglass resist warping, fading, and damage, ensuring your windows continue to look their best with minimal maintenance. Another reason bay windows are popular in Dallas is their versatility in placement. They can be installed in living rooms, dining areas, or front-facing spaces, each time enhancing both the interior experience and the exterior view. When placed strategically, they create a balanced design that improves your home's overall appearance. In addition to their visual benefits, bay windows can also increase property value. Their combination of style, functionality, and added space makes them an attractive feature for potential buyers. Even if you're not planning to sell, it's reassuring to know that your investment contributes to your home's long-term worth. Ultimately, bay windows offer a powerful way to enhance curb appeal while improving your home's comfort and usability. For homeowners in Dallas, they provide a stylish upgrade that stands out in any neighborhood. If you're looking to refresh your home's exterior and make a lasting impression, bay windows are a smart and elegant choice. With the right design and professional installation, they can transform your home into a brighter, more inviting space that captures attention from the moment it's seen.